In this part of the AI Workbench, we first use the Models page to manage which AI models are available. We have the option to edit, validate, and delete existing models, as well as create new ones. A model only needs to be registered once, and then it can be used by different AI tools in the UI. The chat page is for quick prompt testing. The user writes system instructions, adds the prompt, chooses a model, and sends the request. The selected model processes the user's request and returns the output. The responses page is similar to the chat page, but more structured. It lets the user set reasoning effort, output length, and clear request format. The result is a simple way to test AI answers through both chat completion and responses API. The Documents page allows for creating knowledge bases, also called collections. The user has options to create a collection by specifying the name and the embedding model, or by adding knowledge manually as text. The user can search the active collection to verify that the data has been added and searched successfully. Vector data means the system can search by meaning, not by exact words. Collection can also be created by uploading a file, which will be chunked, embedded, converted into vectors, and added to the collection to later be used as a knowledge source. By clicking the Inspect Contents button, the user can inspect the collection content, as well as individual collection elements. The user can also generate embeddings, turning text into vectors. It can be either a single string input or a batch. Just choose a model and click the Generate Embeddings button. In the response section, we can see that embedding has been successfully generated. The response includes the embedding preview, the request payload, and the raw response. Vector search is the most technical part of the AI Workbench. While the Documents page provides a user-friendly workflow, vector search allows developers to test the lower database search directly. The user gets a vector table, loads its schema, selects the search mode, writes a query, and runs the search. The schema shows what fields exist in the table, including vector fields and text fields. The result is raw data that allows the developer to verify the vector search works correctly.